Namaskar, you can book video consultation for astrological analysis on our website, and you can also select Indian rupee or US dollar as per your convenience by switching currency and make payment. For this you just need to press USD button, and you will see the consultation fee in USD, but in this demo video, we are going to tell you how to book consultation by paying in Indian rupees. You have two types of options here. For personal astrological consultation, you can choose deep horoscope analysis option. We are going to tell you how to book a deep horoscope, however the method of booking a matchmaking consultation will also be the same. First click on Book Now button. You can book maximum 3 consultations here. Now click on Add to Cart button. And then click on Checkout button. Enter your birth-related details. Please fill all the information correctly. And after this, you must also fill your contact details. And please enter all your concern or questions you have. And after that, click on Proceed to Next button. After this, you will see all the available days and times for consultation. Here you can select the consultation day and time as per your convenience. Now it is the turn to make payment. Click on the Place Order button. Here you can choose the payment option as per your convenience. Currently we will make the payment by scanning the QR code. After making the payment, you must wait for some time. After the payment is done, please wait a bit and allow some time for the payment to be processed. Payment and consultation related information will be sent to your email ID and WhatsApp number in some time. And if for some reason you do not receive the confirmation for your booking, then you can send a message to our support team on WhatsApp. Our team will share all the details with you. Thank you.